A persistent cough is painful and frustrating. It can be caused by everything from a dry throat to sinus drainage to asthma. The key to combating your cough quickly is selecting the right solution for your type of cough. Reach for fluids. As with any illness, staying hydrated is your first line of defense against coughing. If your cough stems from a dry throat, a little hydration might be all you need. Even if your cough is caused by something else, drinking plenty of fluids is never a bad idea. If your throat is raw or irritated from coughing, be sure to avoid beverages that might irritate it further, such as acidic juices like orange juice. Be careful with dairy too. While the notion that milk makes more mucus is a myth, milk, particularly whole milk, might coat your throat and make you feel as though you have more phlegm. On the other hand, if your cough is caused by irritation or dryness, cold dairy products might be soothing. When in doubt, always choose water. Make the fluids warm. For certain coughs, such as ones caused by congestion or sinus drainage, warm liquids can be even more effective than cold or room temperature ones. Whether it's the perennial favorite of herbal tea with honey or just hot water with lemon, any warm liquid can help break up mucus in your airways, according to the American Lung Association's chief medical officer. Try salt water. Particularly in cases of cold or flu-related coughs, salt water is your friend. Either gargling with salt water or using a saline-based nasal spray can help kill the viruses or bacteria causing the post-nasal drip that's making you cough, along with giving some short-term relief by flushing mucus out of your throat. Consider steam, in some cases. Conventional wisdom often dictates that steam from a shower or a humidifier can help combat a cough. However, that's only the case if your cough is due to dry air. If you're coughing because of congestion, asthma, dust mites, or mold, among other causes, moist air could actually make your cough worse. Method 2. Changing your environment. Stay upright. Being horizontal can cause mucus to drain into your throat. When sleeping with a cough, for example, you should prop up your head with pillows to prevent sinus drainage from pooling in your throat, causing you to cough. Keep the air clean. Stay away from dirty air, including cigarette smoke. Particulates in the air could either be the source of your cough or worsen one that has other causes. Strong fragrances, such as perfumes, can cause some people to cough, even if they're not irritating to others. Keep the air still. Avoid wind, ceiling fans, heaters, and air conditioners, because moving air can make coughs worse. Many cough sufferers believe that blowing air makes their cough worse, either by further drying their airways or by producing additional tickling sensations likely to trigger a cough. Try breathing exercises. While most breathing exercises are aimed at those with chronic conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, they can be used by anyone struggling with a cough. You can try controlled coughing or pursed lip breathing, among other techniques. In pursed lip breathing, for example, you begin by taking a deep breath through your nose and counting to 2. Then, while pursing your lips as if you're about to whistle, you slowly exhale to the count of 4. Method 3. Taking the next steps. Reach for the medicine. If your cough persists, consider trying anti-cough medicines. Cough medicines usually combine 2 ingredients: an expectorant, which loosens mucus, and a suppressant, which blocks the cough reflex. Check the labels to pick the one that's best for your cough. Your doctor may be able to prescribe a cough syrup containing codeine, which can be a very effective cough suppressant. Be sure to follow the dosage instructions exactly as outlined by your doctor, as codeine has the potential to become habit-forming. Soothe your throat. Consider sucking on throat lozenges, eating frozen treats, or gargling with salt water to soothe your throat if your cough has inflamed it. Many cough medicines contain a mild anesthetic to decrease the cough reflex. Likewise, cold items, such as popsicles, are thought to work by temporarily numbing the throat. Try menthol products. Whether in the form of lozenges, ointments, or vapors, menthol has been shown to alleviate coughing. Menthol raises the cough threshold, which then increases the severity of sensations necessary to trigger a cough. Know when to see the doctor. If your cough is accompanied by shortness of breath, bloody mucus, severe pain, or a fever above 104 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius among other severe symptoms, consider seeing a doctor.